Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change Nameserver value of your domain name registered through your GoDaddy account. There would be a couple of reasons why you wanted to change your Nameserver value of your domain name. For example, you have registered your domain name with GoDaddy and you wanted to host the domain name with another company, or you wanted to activate Cloudflare as your DNS manager. Changing the name server is very easy. First, you will have to log into your GoDaddy account. Once you log in, under My Products section, select the domain name which you wanted to change the name server value. Now, click on the DNS button. Here, click on the Change button and select Custom from the drop-down menu. Input your custom name server values here. I will choose server1.hostmywebsite.online and server2.hostmywebsite.online as my name server value. Then, click on the Save button. Please note that DNS changes will take a couple of hours to propagate fully across the globe. You can check the changes by visiting whatsmydns.net website. Here, input your domain name and select NS from the drop-down menu. As you can see, both your old and new DNS changes are listed here. That means your name server values are being propagated across the globe. Once the propagation completed, you can safely change your website files. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.